Sup everybody, I'm Yugoslav Albi and today I'll be showing you how to hack or change your website's name. Right here it says new tab. Keep an eye on that. I'll turn on the accessibility keyboard, which is over here. Now what you want to do is click Shift, Control, and then C. It should open up the console over here. Then you gotta click Command and F. Over here, you need to search up new tab. The caps matter, remember. And right here it'll say you gotta select all this thing and then name it the way you want. Just here. We're gonna try an example. We'll name it newer tab. Yeah, usually newer tab. Oops. Whatever. We're stuck with newer. Okay. So what you want to do is close for this to happen in case of glitches. And right here, as you can see, it's newer. Yes, it is newer. Anyway, open up the console again. So how this works right now is because the thing over here, as you can see, this is written in JavaScript, and even though I don't actually know what this means, the important part is that this thing is the whole script of the tab, which means that if we change a bit of it, everything will be changed. We're gonna change it to actually newer tab here. It changes, and don't worry, this is only temporarily. So let me just real quick reload. It's only new tab. Anyway, that's all for today's video. Thank you very much. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.